Today I'm going to show you how to add text overlays in VEED. Adding text overlays in VEED is quick and easy. Let's go over to our toolbar on our left hand side, come all the way down to text, and over here you will see different types of text. So right now we're viewing all the different styles. We can also view a more refined list such as simple, title, lower thirds, or a bunch of other stuff. You can cruise through here and see exactly what it is that's available and then choose one. It's literally as simple as this. All you need to do is go ahead, click on one, and it's literally added to your timeline. Now, here it is over here. You can now see, if you play the video, it's going to pop up over here where you've put it. Now, if you click down on the edge of the text on your timeline, you'll be able to stretch it out. So now it will be displayed a bit longer over here. Okay. Over here as well, you can stretch this. This is broken up into two pieces. Now, if you click on it, all right, let's say you want to select both of them, use Control, select both of them, and then you can group them. Once you've grouped them, you'll have the options, and I'm going to show you now. Let's just make this a little bit bigger so we can see what is happening here. All right, they're back. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on any one of them. You'll see you can actually change the text. So if you click over here, you can actually change what it says. Here you can change the font style, the color, size, style, animation, and then you can use the text behind a person, which automatically separates the subject and the background and puts the text in between. That's a really handy thing because I've done this manually on many different softwares and it's a little bit challenging to know how to do it. So this does it automatically. It's fantastic. Here's a bunch of different editing tools as well, such as alignment and styling and your spacing. And that is essentially how you add text. Now, if you'd like to move it around, you can click down and just drag it over. And quite simply, you will be able to see it as you see it right over here. Let us see what this looks like.